very similar to human behavior. Secondly, computer and AI are rapidly advancing and are already outperforming humans in various fields like medicine, finance, accountancy, and tech.
They cannot replace the value of human intuition and creativity in decision making. Computers and AI is not a replacement for human intelligence. It is only an extension of great human knowledge. In addition, in the educational section, I see no way they can displace human. I mean, how would it be achievable? Can robots understand and read meaning to student behavior and overall performance? Can machines offer real care, empathy, and support to a child in need? Definitely not. And in closing note, despite that computer and AI have done activity in transforming the way work is being carried out, I firmly believe that they will not replace human in their workplaces. Thank you.
I am here to support the motion that says, in the nearest future, computers and AI will replace humans in their various workplaces. Having listened to the brilliant points made by the chief speaker, I am here to reinforce with these solid points of mine. Firstly, I feel that advancements of computers
of life, human and critical in thinking, can build solid relationships with clients, patients, and students. They can negotiate, seal business deals, and communicate effectively. Secondly, computers may process information, but they lack the creativity, innovative minds that human workers bring to the table. Human can think outside the box and are problem solvers. Take a moment to look around you. The creativity behind what you see, the chairs, the books, the buildings, computers, and even AI are all made from humans. We are the building. We make the computers in question. In addition, human can be considered as a multiple factor. Weighing the pros and cons in a situation before decision making. People can adapt to new situations, learn new skills, adjust, and be very versatile. Whereas computers are relatively stiff and limited to their level of programming. They can only act according to the instructions coded in them by humans. Conclusion: while AI is useful in the workplace, they cannot fully replace humans. The strategy thinking, adaptability, emotional intelligence, complex decision-making are top-notch qualities that make human highly indispensable. Hence, having listened to my teammate and I hope you have been totally convinced. AI technologies, robots, computers are not fully able and will not replace humans in their workplace. Thank you.